You can take less than a pound of ground beef, lots of cabbage, and a pound of Chinese lo mein noodles and turn it into an awesome meal for 4 hungry people. I'm Tess, and I will show you how to make a tasty beef cabbage lo mein from start to finish. Stay tuned. I was at the Asian market and wanted lo mein noodles, but this was the only noodle that they had. It looked very similar, so we're going to go with it, and you can actually use the noodles of your choice. Tonight I'm cooking the entire package. The instructions state to cook 3 to 4 minutes and then rinse with cold water and drain well. I'm getting everything prepped and ready before cooking. Here I have about 2 cups of thinly sliced cabbage. Whatever vegetables that you use, you want to cut similar sizes so they cook evenly. In a wok or pan on medium-high heat, I'm adding in about 3/4 of a pound of ground beef, and this was left over from another recipe. This ground beef is going to give this Chinese lo mein a nice rich flavor and make it a meal. Cooking, stirring, and breaking up until no longer pink. You want a little bit of the meat fat in the pan, but not an excessive amount. I didn't need to drain any fat, but you may need to. I'm turning my heat down to a medium, adding in the cabbage and giving everything a good stir. Cooking and stirring for 2 minutes, and then I'm putting on the lid and cooking for a minute to help steam the cabbage. I will be adding more ingredients, and I can see I need a little more oil in the pan. Tossing in 1 cup each of sliced onions and green bell peppers. Cooking and stirring for 1 minute, placing on the lid and cooking for an additional minute. Because I have a lot of vegetables here, I'm just using the steam to help cook the vegetables quickly and evenly. If you watch any of my Asian cooking shows, you know we love fresh bean sprouts. I love the crunch that they give, and I think it really enhances a lo mein meal. Here I have 2 good handfuls, or about 2 cups of bean sprouts, giving everything a good toss. And we are almost done. These are the greens of garden onions that I cut into 2-inch strips. They will add a nice pop of flavor. In go all the noodles. And about here, I was thinking I should have probably split this recipe in half or used a bigger pan. Adding in a splash or about 1/4 cup of water. 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of dark mushroom flavored soy sauce for now. And 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, giving that a good toss. You want to taste the noodles as you cook and stir and add any additional sauce that you like. I'm adding in a tablespoon more of the dark soy sauce and giving it a toss. This really adds a nice key flavor to the lo mein noodles. And finally, a 1/2 tablespoon more of the dark soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Cooking and stirring for 1 more minute till the noodles are heated through, and we are ready to eat. As you can see, this made a ton of noodles and will feed quite a few people. With the purchase of the noodles, ground beef, and vegetables, I have about $10 in this meal. I didn't include the sauces because they are an investment and they last a good while. My family loves cabbage, and that's a good thing because it's affordable. The cabbage helps to bulk up the lo mein so it goes further and adds tons of flavor and nutrients. I hope you give my ground beef and cabbage lo mein recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.